Son had no idea that night that he was going to meet the devil. He didn't only meet one, he met two.
Now at 5, an emotional day in court for the family of Gregory Coleman Jr. as Chrystian Foster, one of the two men accused of killing him outside a Short North bar, was found guilty of murder. A judge gave Foster a life sentence with the possibility of parole after 15 years. Thank you for joining us for 10 TV News at 5. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. 10 TV's Terry Jabor joins us live from outside the courthouse this evening. And Terry, you were inside that courtroom during sentencing. Gregory's family also there. What do they have to say about this verdict today?
Well, the Coleman family was very emotional today. They cried when the judge read that guilty verdict, giving Foster life in a prison. Now, the family says now they have justice for their son.
Therefore, the court finds that Mr. Foster is guilty of the offense of murder as charged in the indictment.
In September of 2022, Gregory Coleman Jr. was beaten to death outside of a Short North bar by two men, Dwayne Cummings and Chrystian Foster. Dwayne Cummings was convicted and sentenced to life in prison, and today Chrystian Foster learned he will spend the rest of his life in prison as well. Geraldine Coleman, Greg's mother, says Foster has caused her family a lot of pain.
He does not know the devastation that he brought to this family.
She says her heart is broken not only for her, but for Greg's 10-year-old daughter, who now has to live her life without a father.
She's hurt so bad. She loved her father and he adored her. And you took that from her. I can never forgive you for what you've done.
Greg's father, Gregory, says the guilty verdict means justice for his son.
I guess I'll go through the rest of my life without him. But I'll always remember this courtroom and all the good that happened in here to get justice.
He believes Foster and Cummings knew what they were doing when they beat his son. Now he says he will hold on to the memories that nobody can take away from him.
He was just all you could ask for in a son. And I loved him more than anyone would ever know.
Chrystian Foster got a chance to speak today before his sentencing. He told the court he did not know that Coleman Jr. was unconscious.
You know, that night was a pretty rough night. You know, lots of things went wrong, things that I never intended to happen. I made a mistake, and I apologize for my mistake.
Foster's attorney says they plan on appealing the decision. And Foster's attorney did ask for an appeal bond. The judge denied that request. Reporting live in Columbus, Terry Jabor, 10 TV News.